Tushar Kawedia, CFO at IRB, is joining us right now to take some questions. Tushar, great to have you with us here. Thank you very much. Could you put into context the toll collection, the August toll collection numbers, and of course, I mean that base impact I referred to because there's some specific events last year, same time last year, and how are things looking now in September so far?
Sure. So as we have been sharing the numbers now every month, and it has been observed that the collections are improving month-on-month basis. So there's a robust growth in the toll collections, predominantly on account of tariff hike, achievements of CODs for a couple of projects, and then contribution by the traffic growth. So this 35% growth is led by with the traffic growth of almost 7 to 8% on the portfolio basis. We look forward that these numbers are continuing even for the September as well. And besides this monsoon season, the numbers are quite attractive. And looking to the festive season going forward, the numbers would be more better than what has been envisaged till today.
Okay, Tushar, good morning. So you're saying that these numbers are going to be sustainable. Can you tell us, there was talk of a tariff hike in the Mumbai-Pune expressway. Is that confirmed?
So there was no tariff hike for Mumbai-Pune project for this period. It's totally that growth is on account of volume growth, which is approximately 10% for this project. So tariff hike is due in next year from 1st April 23.
Hi Tushar, what will that be? You know, all of us are Mumbaites and we travel to Pune quite often. What could the quantum be? Is it already a pre-adjusted rate? Is it inflation linked? A broad range?
No, so for Mumbai-Pune, we have a fixed tariff hike every 3 years, and which is 18% will be due from 1/4/23.
1/4/23. Okay.
So what would this mean totally in terms of what the organic growth would be in traffic momentum for you? Put together with the tariff hike and the toll collections, what are we looking at for the full year?
So on like-to-like comparison, considering all the adjustments for tariff, the volume growth what we have seen is around 7 to 8%, and we believe this continues for the coming quarters as well.
Okay, Tushar, you know, we understand that board approval has come in for the transfer of VK1 Expressway project to the InvIT fund for a consideration of 1,300 crore rupees. Could you tell us what is the status? By when will that happen? And also post the GIC deal and fund infusion, what is the debt situation of the company, and how are you intending to reduce debt going forward?
Sure. So first of all, on the VK1 transfer, the unit holders of the public InvIT has recently approved the acquisition of the particular asset with 99.99% favorable vote. With this, now we are in the process of transferring this asset, which the process will be completed before the end of October 22. And this transaction will lead to equity consideration of 342 crores for IRB, and the debt of 945 will go off the balance sheet for 945 crores will go off the balance sheet for IRB. Post this, our net debt to equity will at a console level will come down to 102 billion post this transaction.
All right, Tushar, what about the EPC side of business? Could you give us what is the revenue guidance that you have for this year in terms of EPC revenue?
Yeah, so now we have all the 5 projects where we have achieved the financial closure. For this year, we are expecting the construction revenue around 45 billion for this year.